Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to extract RAR files on your PC or laptop step by step. It's simple, and I'll guide you through everything you need. Let's get started. First, go to the folder where your .rar file is located. Right-click on the RAR file. In the right-click menu, you'll see a few new options added by WinRAR. Choose one of the following. Extract here to extract files in the same folder. Extract to folder name, to extract into a new folder automatically. Click the one you prefer, and winrar will do the rest. Wait a few seconds while the files are being extracted. Depending on the size, it might take a bit longer. And that's it. You can now access the extracted files and use them as needed. So that's how you extract RAR files on your PC or laptop using WinRAR. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next guide.